In this video, let's talk about how to fix Netflix cannot cancel subscription. Now, in this situation, the first thing that you need to do is determine if you have a bill through the third-party applications or if you have billed it directly through the web version or the platform of Netflix. So if you have billed it from the platform of Netflix, you simply need to head over to the billing section of Netflix on the application or on the web version. Most cases it would be on the web version, so head over to the cancellation section, and right here you should be able to see the option called cancellation being displayed. Now, what you can also try out is if you think that you have not billed it from the web version or the platform of Netflix, you might have billed it through third-party applications. It could be your Play Store or billed also via the Apple's iTunes. So make sure you head over to those third-party applications and you'll be able to cancel the Netflix subscription through those platforms. Now, none of these solutions are working out for you. This also could be happening due to your account being hold or blocked. So in this situation, what you can do is update your billing method. If your billing method is having issues, then only once you update your billing method, you'd be able to cancel your subscription. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.